Hey everybody, I'm Lorna and I am here with my September 2020 Wantable box. I am really excited to try on some clothes. Oh yeah? I am also joined by my littlest son here. Do you want to come here? Come here. Ah. Yeah. Hold on. Come here. No, he just got done crawling underneath my tripod and my light and playing like a jungle gym. See yourself? See, that's you. This is Orion. He is 10 months old. He is walking and he is a complete package, handful, all of the above. Yes, you. I'm really excited to try on some clothes because I am ready to pamper myself and feel special again and feel like my life has meaning aside from running after this guy. I get the boxes every 2 months, I think, and I'll be honest with you, the items that I got, they're a little drab looking, so I'm hoping once I put them on I feel differently. Do y'all like my glasses? They're blue blockers. I got them in my FabFitFun box. I like them. He likes them. Likes to grab them. Anyway, I am going to go pass him off to his father, and I am going to try some clothes on for you and show you what I got. So this is my first outfit. I have this nice black dolman top and these olive green stretchy drawstring shorts, and both are pretty comfortable. I've gotten a few black tops from Wantable and I think I've kept all of them. What's one more, right? It's tighter around the wrists, so it sort of hugs your arm. It won't fall down. Comfortable, nice and covers my butt. I like that. The shorts are a little stiff, but we do have pockets. And nope, that's a fake pocket. Anyway, these I don't know. Because they're kind of stiff. That'll probably go away when you wash, but I don't know. We'll see. I like it overall though, so odds are in their favor. My next items are this cute tank top that ties at the side and these jeans here. The tank top is super cute, flowy. It's a really light material. You can untie it here. You can tie it tighter on the side. It's also stretchy, which is cool. I might keep it. I don't know. I don't have a whole lot of places to wear it. We're sort of in this weird phase with the baby where like he is moving and grooving and I'm still not working, and what do I need these cute things for? Obviously I need them for my self-esteem, but like if I'm being practical. I like it. I might keep it. I certainly like the color. I love mustard yellow. These jeans, they're kind of a boyfriend cut, I guess. They're kind of loose. I think I'd probably need a belt if I was going anywhere in them. Normal pockets. I'm going to reposition the camera so you can see the bottom. Okay, so you can see how, they're not skinny jeans. They're definitely not skinny jeans. They're very casual. When I first put them on, I was like, I'm totally not going to keep these, but now that I have them on, I do kind of like them, kind of like how casual they are. I definitely wouldn't wear these together, I don't think, but I don't know. I've got a lot of jeans. I'd have to get rid of a pair to keep these, I guess. I don't know. Last outfit, it's this sweater and this tank top. Nice, long, comfortable black sweater. Really good, solid material. Definitely not gonna tear or pull easily. I am not gonna keep it. I have 1,001 sweaters and I don't need another sweater, and I don't need another black sweater. Definitely don't need another black sweater. It is comfortable, but I will not be keeping this sweater. Let me show you the tank top. And here is the tank top. It is a leopard print tank top, and as you all know, I love big cat print. I do not like this top at all. I don't know, it's got to be the color. I don't like it at all. I really do not like the this tie here, this. I don't like this at all. The little tassels, it's comfortable, but I will not be keeping this at all. So my last item in my Wantable box were these earrings. You can see them, they are silver, they are kind of hammered. I would definitely keep these if they were gold. I just feel like gold is kind of my color and silver is just kind of not. They're good quality, they're nice, but I won't keep them. If they were gold, yes. Silver, no. So overall, I'm kind of disappointed with this box. Not a lot of like color variation. I feel like I'm getting the same kind of items over and over again, i.e. that sweater and the dolman top. It just wasn't a lot of variety. I just felt like the colors were kind of drab, and I don't feel like we're full blown into fall yet. I know it's September, but it's just still so hot here. Like, it's gonna be shorts weather for a while here, and I'm just not ready for, I don't know, just left me wanting. Like, I just, and part of it is my fault. I don't ever give them any direction. I just like to see what they send me, but then every now and then, like, I'm just really disappointed in what I get. This top was cute. Like, I love mustard yellow. I just wasn't in love with anything that came in my box this month. I'm just disappointed. I would still recommend Wantable to anybody who wants to try it. $20 is nothing. You get 7 items. If you keep 5, you get 20% off your purchase. I just think that's a really good deal. And you don't have to get it every month. Like I've said before, I think this is every other month. I was kind of disappointed with this box. I'm not really in love with anything, and I don't really want my $20 to go to waste, so I'm going to pick out something to keep. I don't know what it's going to be. It'll probably be this. Anyway, I hope everybody is doing well. I hope your quarantines are going well and that you're able to live your lives. This was my September 2020 Wantable. If you have questions or comments, please leave them. Please subscribe to my channel. I know that I am horrible about putting out videos regularly. It is so hard right now with a 10-month-old. I'm gonna do better, I promise. Anyway, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Share, leave questions and comments, and I will see you guys next time.